Welcome back, guys, and today we're gonna make a tier list, a door tier list. This was inspired by ice cream sandwich, and shout out to him. Go watch a video of door tier list. Now, dog door. I like it. Mystery. This door, fantastic. Fantastic door. Fantastic door. This is a scary door. This is an A plus. This is a good door. Barn door. Actual F. It sucks. Sliding door. Sucks. This deserves a B. You know, it's a good door. Revolving door. Yeah, it's good, but it can get stuck. You can get stuck in the door and then somebody will have to help you. This door at A plus. Deserves. So yeah, these doors suck, and yeah, fight me if I'm wrong, but when is a revolving door not fun? It's the highlight of anything. So yeah. Anyways, this is my door tier list. This is my door tier list. So yeah, my door tier